Okay, welcome to this presentation. Today we are going to see about the lesson that we have here that I just created. This is an amazing like a resource that we can use genuinely. This is an interactive picture that we can use. For example, this is going to be a lesson that we can use with our students. We can add an specific instructions that they need to click on each icon in order to see any activity that we have. And then we have the second activity that it says make the puzzle. Our students, they are going to click on that and they are going to be able to see the activity that we have. And they are going to enjoy that because they like to do. And then we have a video. I just created a video in Fountain that it is about the demonstrative adjectives. And um, we need to wait a little bit in order that this is going to start. They are going to see the video in their own pace. They are going to have some examples here in order to learn in their own way, right? And then after that, we have another activity that we finish the video and they have to work in the activity. This is a control practice because we are going to see if they understood about the topic. And we have the adjectives again here. If they want to see again, they don't do that before. They, they can review that. And I was here. I'm sorry. And then we have some activities here. Some activities here, for example, we use this that we are going to have fill in the blank. They need to use this computer or this does. It is depends about the topic and then they are going to finish and we can see if they use correctly all the adjectives that we just saw on this. And then we can return here and the last activity that they have, they need to draw two demonstrative adjectives. And we have an application here that they can use. Also, they need to write and also they need to write and draw the adjectives. For example, they can draw an apple. They can draw an apple, for example, here, and then they can write the sentence, this is and something, or they want to erase that, they can do that. And basically, this is going to be our lesson that we can do with our students, and I know that they are going to enjoy that. And you can use this methodology in order that your class it is going to be creative and interactive way. Thank you for watching this video.